waves in the back. Come on.
You're going to the wrong side, Manny. And I'll get here in the back.
Oh, this is
here, or are you going?
Mom said that my magic child. They take me anywhere.
We're doing a beach tour today, and this is the first beach. Check it out. There's the crew.
Oh shit!
Did he get you?
He tried to.
Oh, he's scared.
251 photos.
Wow.
There he goes. He's so fluffy.
You gotta be kidding. Just go in.
It's actually pretty strong.
She's jumping in to see whether we should go over with the Sony or not.
It's so cold.
Keep going.
Hold on, I gotta acclimatize.
That's high cut.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
So I already messed up and I ruined my GoPro. Oops.
She had the wrong backing on, but oh well.
Oh well.
Shit happens.
So this is my first day in Thailand. Yay. I don't know. I'm terrible at this. Is Namton Beach, which is the third beach we've been to today, and so far it's my favorite. It's absolutely beautiful. It's warm, but it's not hot. And we got cut up at the last beach. Can't see it because I cleaned all the blood off. But we tried to go over a channel and there were a lot of rocks and we got all cut up.
Just having some fresh shrimp. They look so nice.
Oh my god. Oh, look at that.
Wow.
Yummy.
Yeah. That's what I ate today.
1 kilo.
Raining like crazy right now, but it's all good. We're all in bathing suits inside, back at the pickup. So the streets are flooded a little bit. I put it back at home.